And they tell people say beware for some friends when you get, because some are backstabber. Some friend dey this country, if you just get small problem, say they carry you go deportation camp or prison, they don't even know whether you go fit come out or you know come out again. Their target na your woman. Also, their target na your woman. Oh boy, this girl, you go call the fee for her. You go see her, beautiful angel, my queen. You don't hear for your guy. I even hear say they will even charge the case to court. I felt tell her that year they risk. Now look, you will take come out. Will they convince him? Money when you don't agree, give your own best friend. When you need them, may they do better thing, may they do business, he will pay you back. Now that's how you gonna show love to the girl. You say manage it 200 euro in case you won't buy anything. The girl will say maybe you be better person. Once you don't give her 200 euro already 3 times now, you call they convince him. That one call this this guy they try. Even my guy when he did self, you don't even they give me 50 euro. Even your old girlfriend when you get, now, you know they give her 25 euro. But you won't chop your guy girlfriend, they give her 200 euro. They feel say they feel sorry for them. But last, if the girl open for you, you will chop him. Also, you got to happy. No, but your friend don't go Nigeria. No. You the thing they pay for body. They give you document if you use them. Now say at that time, this now that time that your friend did now when you make her. Now that time day when you make her, you go back to Nigeria now. You go come back now because you also. Now to tell you the final, if you like a fucking girlfriend, who God don't bless him. God will still give her another girl. But as long as you don't decide, say, now to you will use your document, they chop, it will soon tire you. See this thing, where they sweet you so. Our forefather, don't fair chopper. No thing when they give for inside. The only thing when they for inside is picky, you know, grip bomb. When they tell you, say, may you hustle. You know, green hustle. You say, wait till this one they talk. Go sit down. You don't get work. Now your friend now go Nigeria now. You don't they gossip am. You don't do anyhow, you don't form like say now only one get documents. My problem is that now, get now when you leave now, you don't they convince am. Say your friend want go marry for Nigeria, whether you never hear. Wetin man do man? You they convince he get friend when he live for here. Person when go Nigeria when he want go greet a family. You don't they convince he get friend for Europe here say now marry your guy want go marry you. You no go find a way. I don't know why some men just dey like this. Some men, if they just see woman, they go talk anyhow. They give you document to 5 years, then they give you. And it expire now, you renew them. They give you another 5 years now. Another 5 years now, don't see they go for your hand. Hustle, I tell you, you don't want here, you know green hustle. The only thing they do, they use the document, they travel, enter different countries, they go. Let me tell you, the same beauty they anywhere you go for this Europe country. Both Poland, Holland, France, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, now the same beauty. Different no day. You get where you go even day for France or Germany, you go be like the city where you first day for Italy. Different no day. Some go tell you say na Switzerland, na their money they pass or so. Who tell you? Now because they work out partner, I make you the say na their money they pass. And if you see person wey serious when they Switzerland, you go say Switzerland na money dey because that one serious. Serious for the city where you dey, serious money dey that your city. The same city where they complain say money no dey. Now there people they make am. They live big boy life. They don't do many things, investment. For the same city where you they complain. Even if they say carry you go to Switzerland, you know if you make them because you don't get sense, you know serious for life. And they go give you document and also travel. These are the travel. I don't tell you say stay in one place. See that for one city you will make them. No, you don't want take them. You the gossip person when you go out. So people go they say, I don't feel talking now. Since when that guy just get document when they go house that time. You don't get anything. Since when they go house, come back. Now a business go dey move, go blow. I don't talk am. Say na something he go do for house. He go wash hand. A lot of people they just go Nigeria, they come back. And that time they call the things they change for them. Meaning they go wash hand. If you know where they wash hand, why you not go wash your own? They don't give you document. I be that your document. They don't feel that you know the travel go to Nigeria. Your document not get working permit. You know use and work. The only thing that they use and they do now to they introduce your document give get. I get document 5 years. 5 years. The girl will call the hope say maybe if he follow you now, if he even marry you, you will give a document for where if you don't chop and read 3 times, you don't dump am. Carry another one. Now to tell now you they use your document they fuck. Now you don't gossip your friend when you go Nigeria. 2 years now they give them. You don't use and go Nigeria 2 times. Your own 5 years don't expire. They give you another 5 years now. You know serious money no day. You know we use and hustle. My problem is that who feel use document they don't even they give and they give some hustle. You can say now France is just there. Go to France now. Now Switzerland they go. The boss no go carry you. You don't know where they enter bus they go Switzerland. Me you go hustle. You go they gossip people in this and say those people they just go there. Even if you go there, you know if you make them. Why? Because you don't serious for life. Who serious for life? You lack. This Sicily you will make them. Some people go they say Sicily no. Sicily na downtown. Sicily nothing this Sicily. Let me tell you. Even people will get money past self. Now Sicily the day. Go Sicily. Sicily they happen for there. Now that city when they run come on they say this one at downtown. Now there even day. Now there it day. If you understand Europe, now that place when they run come on there it day. Go Sicily, go Napoli now. Big men they drive car. Heavy car. They don't travel now there they day. No, we just run, leave the Sicily. Run, leave Napoli now, come uptown. Because now uptown that they see and pick. Most of the local documents don't pass the whole country. Now they find where they see money they pick for grant. Your mate now don't go Nigeria, you don't they gossip am. You know they gossip am. They convince the girlfriend for you, they tell her say your friend go have boyfriend now Nigeria you go marry you. So that make you for fit chop am. Chop your whole best friend, girlfriend now. Because you know I don't know why something no day so no now.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Please guys, we are begging, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please.